Black Friday is an amazing time of year because it allows us to waste precious family bonding time, but better yet, we can snag those awesome deals on flat screen TVs that we really don't need. In reality though, you're not getting any deals because in the months leading up to Black Friday, retailers and manufacturers artificially inflate the prices of their products so that you end up just paying the normal price for something you didn't want in the first place. This same idea of a hidden tax can then be applied to what's known as the excise tax. This is essentially a tax on certain commodities like gas, firearms, luxury cars, alcohol, and cigarettes, but what's unique about it is that it's hidden. As I mentioned, it's baked into the price of the product that you're purchasing. So if you want to buy a gallon of gas for say $2, maybe 20 cents of that $2 will go toward the excise tax. So it's very deceptive in that sense. But the other purpose, other than generating revenue for the state, of the excise tax is to discourage certain activities like driving a gas-guzzling car or buying firearms, as I just mentioned. So those are the two purposes, but let's get into the history now. So July 4th, 1789, George Washington signs into law the Tariff Act, which essentially establishes tariffs as the primary source of the state's income, in addition to the excise tax on whiskey. This was also signed into law so as to pay back the war debt amassed during the Revolutionary War. It was successful for a while, but eventually there was a literal rebellion on this whiskey tax, so it was killed temporarily, but it was later revived during the Civil War. So be mindful of this trend that the tax is reintroduced when war comes about. But more fascinating still, and more recently, is the excise tax during the Great Depression. So the 18th Amendment effectively banned the consumption, sale, and distribution of alcohol, but that was later repealed, of course, with the 21st Amendment. And shortly thereafter, the excise tax was added or appended to alcohol sales. And eventually, 1/3 of the debt amassed during the Great Depression was paid back with the excise tax on that alcohol. So very fascinating then how the state says, oh, you can't have alcohol, but oh, then when we're in debt, oh, sure, you can have it. We're just going to add a tax on it to make money. Let me know your thoughts on the excise tax in the comments below. Is it a fair tax? Is any tax fair? And more importantly, is the excise tax discriminatory toward certain industries like the luxury car and firearm industries? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Peace, love, and liberty. Andrew Demeter, signing out.